it going, guys? This is a quick one. Again, as always, welcome back to Gear and Guitars with Mel. I am Mel. I just want to give you guys a little heads up about what we got coming on the channel pretty soon here. I'm going to throw you some clips. We got a build that I'm doing for Guitar Kit World. They supplied me with full kit, but I pretty much just took the body and the neck and did my own thing with the rest of it. Also, I have my Wolf guitar torn down. I'm just overhauling it completely. I had to take the dime-sized pots out and stuff and put in some proper pots, you know, orange drops, stuff like that. You'll see. Also, I got a new amp I'm going to be showing you guys that's freaking killer. I mean, it's an amazing amp. Aside from that, I'm also going to be putting together some small pedal board builds. Just some ideas like, hey, what kind of music do you play? Here's how you can get away with a nice simple board. You know what I mean? I'm just going to show you guys what I would do. Plenty of you cats already know what you would do. I've got some pedals to show you. We're going to do a clone video pretty soon. Oh, sorry, a clone video pretty soon. I happen to love that circuit. Some people do, some people don't. But just want to let you know that we're here. Just got a lot going on. You know, a lot of things happening. Got some shows, a lot of work, stuff like that. But still over here working on content. And I'll be getting something up for you pretty soon. I also got a couple new guitars, few guitars to be showing you guys, besides the ones I'm modding and building. And then there's a whole other world of mods for my other guitars. So it'll end up being, by the time I'm done, it'll end up being a here's my guitar collection video. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for hanging out. Also wanted you to hit me in the comments and let me know. I got a lot of people telling me I should have a Patreon. I'm not exactly sure what it is or what it does. Because I'm just not that savvy, but I'm gonna find out. It's been emailed to me and thrown in some comments and stuff like that. So you guys let me know if I should do that, and if you want to let me know what it is, that'd be cool too. Other than that, yeah, we've got fun stuff coming up. This is just something to I don't know, love the algorithm a little bit and let it know, hey, I'm still here making stuff. All right. So I'll show you some pictures. I had to move some of my stuff inside. I made myself a little small workshop in the house so that I'm not always out here in the studio. But yeah, lots of good stuff coming up, guys. Thanks for being patient. Oh yeah, and giveaways. Take it easy.